Alice was a curious programmer who was always looking for new ways to solve problems. One day, while browsing the Python documentation, she stumbled upon the slice function. Intrigued, she decided to experiment with it.
Let me show you an example of how to use Python's slice function. In this case, we have a string that says, "Hello world." We create a slice object using the slice function with the argument 7, which means that we want to slice the string up to the 7th index, which is the space after hello. Then, we use the slice object to extract the substring that we want from the string. Finally, we print the substring using the print function, which gives us hello.
As she played around with the slice function, Alice realized that it was a powerful tool for string manipulation. She could use it to extract substrings of any length, with any start and stop indices. She was excited to try it out on some real-world problems. Alice was a busy programmer who had many tasks to accomplish each day. She was always looking for ways to streamline her workflow and save time. That's why she was thrilled when she discovered the slice function.
First, we will assign the string. In today's meeting, we discussed the sales report and made plans for the upcoming quarter to a variable called string. Then we create two slice objects, s1 and s2, using the slice function to specify the desired ranges of characters in the string. We then use the slice objects to extract two substrings from the string variable and assign them to variables called important_info1 and important_info2. Finally, we will print the concatenation of important_info1 and important_info2 to the console.
By using the slice function to extract substrings, Alice was able to work more efficiently. She no longer had to manually calculate start and stop indices for each string she worked with. She simply created a slice object and let Python do the rest.